Hi there, dear friends, I'm in a Seat Leon Mark III and today I will show you how to check which infotainment system you have in your Volkswagen, Seat or Skoda. This is useful and important if you want to install third-party applications like MIB2 toolbox. Here is link to my video on how to install MIB2 toolbox, the tool you can use to activate full link for free or to remove navigation card ID lock. Also, you can find all links in description of this video. All three brands use the same hardware and there is some difference in skin the infotainment system is using. To find the part number of the head unit, go to menu, scroll to the settings and scroll to the system information. Here we have device part number. Another way to find out part number is to press the menu button for 3 seconds. On this way we will enter service mode. Then go to software update versions. And here we can see another information about software version we have installed. This is the software version on infotainment unit, and here is the part number we already seen on another menu. On this menu we can also see some another informations about the software versions, like we can check the update history on this car by pressing versions, and we can see here what updates have done on this car. On top is the current version device runs. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.